I'm Ranger Nick, and I'm going to cook some prawns today. Hokkien noodle prawns. Absolutely beautiful, quick, fast, easy. We're going to get right into it right now. Righto, look at that. Beautiful black prawns. So whatever prawns you can get your hands on, whatever your favourites are, go for it. So next thing we do there is we're just going to butterfly the prawn. So get a sharp knife and just run it straight down the back where the vein is. And you'll find it'll open up, whoops, it'll open up and you can take any vein away. So there we've got a butterflied prawn and they're all now prepared, ready to go. I'll cut my garlic up first, so all you need to do, quickly cut up some garlic, so hack up those couple of spring onions, just quick and easy, don't have to be anything special, and one chilli. Pot's starting to smoke, that's telling me it's hot. We're going to get a nice dollop of butter there. Oh, look at that, a little bit hot there because I can see that butter starting to brown, so we'll get some ingredients in there. Now we'll get those aromatics, as we're calling them, and get them starting to bring some colour out, and the smell's wonderful straight away. All right, so bit of heat in them, so a nice hot bowl, in with the pineapple, in with our prawns. Absolutely wonderful. Now, we want to keep that moving with a very hot oven there, like we've got, until the prawns will start to discolour. You can see a little bit of discoloration there in this one. We want them all looking like that. And see those reds coming out, beautiful colours in there. Next step is one of my favourite things, this one. So I've got a bit of brandy here. Oh, it's pretty good. So we'll put a couple of good glugs into there. We've got a steaming, she's happening, all right? So while that's steaming and ferociously hot, next step is light it on fire. So look at that. We've got nice flames there. Now the reason I'm doing that is simply to burn off the alcohol. If I don't burn that alcohol off, I'll get quite a bit of taste through the food. So let it flame up and you'll get the nice flavour of the brandy without the bitter taste. All I need to do now is add some coconut cream. So I'll do my little dance again today, and we're going to add about half of this to that mix. When that comes to the boil, we're just going to add our noodles to it. That's looking lovely. We're going to put our Hokkien noodles in. Get it into you, folks.